Hi, I'm Karen Chang with Umbrella Consulting. In this video, I will be demonstrating AP document services in SYSPRO 8 2024. SYSPRO's document services uses OCR technology to read PDF images and converts it into a transaction in SYSPRO. The AP document services can take an AP PDF invoice and automatically generate an AP invoice record, including the three-way GRN matching. Let me show you how it works. I have SYSPRO up on my screen here. I'm going to click on to my shortcut for AP invoice posting. And you'll see this document analyzer pane on the left-hand side of my screen. From here, I will click on the select document and select the AP invoice that I want to enter. I'm going to select my outdoors invoice 100551, and you'll see that the document analyzer is now analyzing the document, and it is done. It's asking whether I want to use 13 as my supplier because it's recognized the vendor name and address and tried to match it to my vendor master. I'm going to click yes, and on the right-hand side, you'll see that supplier 13 is the outdoors company, and that does match the invoice, which is also from the outdoors company. In the middle transactions pane, you'll see these green squares. These are actually like traffic lights. So green is telling me that it has a pretty high confidence that it was able to successfully read from my PDF invoice. So you see as I hover my cursor over the green square, it says that it has a 95.6% confidence that the invoice number that it's entered in the invoice field is accurate. And same thing with the transaction amount, 94.9% confidence. The invoice date doesn't give me a confidence here, but it did get the invoice date correct, because here's my invoice date on the left-hand side, April 30th, 2020. And you'll also notice in my GRN matching pane that it has automatically matched the lines that are on the invoice. And you'll see the stock code A202 for quantity of 50, that matches, and the gross amount, $190.53. And then the second line is A301 for quantity of 10 and a gross amount of $268.58. And just to compare my totals, just scroll down to the total gross, 481.11. I have 459. I think I might have some decimal points off here. So that's good enough. I'm going to proceed to GL distribution, and you'll see that it's automatically cleared my GRN suspense account, and I am now ready to post my invoice. And so that's just reduced a bunch of my time, because if I were to have entered that invoice manually, it would have taken me probably more than twice as long to verify all of the information, enter it in, check and match the GRN, and then check the GL distribution. But just like that, the AP document services has read my AP invoice using OCR and converted it into an AP invoice, matched it to the GRNs. And really, I'm just looking for these lights, and if they're red, that's when I need to watch out. So these ones were red because it couldn't find a matching line, and that's why it didn't even try to match it. And if you had unmatched invoice lines, it would show up here in this second tab. So I can proceed with posting this record, and that's done. As you saw, using AP document services is super simple to use, just a matter of selecting a PDF invoice and it does the work. And even the setup of that custom pane, the document analyzer, is a very simple setup. So I hope you give it a try. Thanks.